Reporting for SUNY Cobleskill Athletics, I'm Kavon Barrett. Joined with me today, Jessica Carney of the women's soccer team. Jessica had a really solid outing last week against Alfred State and SUNY Purchase, where Jessica's performance aided to the Flying Tigers' 1-1 tie. Jessica, congratulations on being named this week's Flying Tiger Athlete of the Week. But tell us a bit about your performance in the two matchups that the Flying Tigers women's soccer team played over the weekend, and how you felt your performance went offensively.
So offensively, I think definitely pressing the defense is what forced that tie goal in the beginning of Purchase. So definitely forcing offensively, being very aggressive up top is what definitely helped us score that.
Great. And I was recently informed that you do play another sport, that being of track and field. So that makes you a two-sport athlete. So on that note, how do you manage being a two-sport athlete while making sure that you're continuing pursuing your academics here at SUNY Cobleskill?
Yeah, it was definitely something to get used to coming in as freshmen, because it's a lot different from high school. But it's just like a life-work type of balance. If you have long away games, long bus rides, just use your time wisely and use that to study if you can.
Right. And since being named Athlete of the Week, what would you say personally being named Flying Tiger Athlete of the Week means to you?
I mean, it's a big accomplishment for me, because I know everybody out here puts a lot of work in, and so does the athletic department. So being recognized by that definitely makes me and the girls on all the teams want to keep pushing.
All right, and just to kind of piggyback off your last point about you and the girls keep pushing as a team, what are some team goals as well as personal goals that you guys are hoping to accomplish this season?
I know team goals, we really want the first win and to continue that throughout the season, obviously. And then personal goals, I just like to stay healthy throughout the season and keep scoring goals and get us to hopefully a championship at the end.
Jessica, congratulations on being named this week's Flying Tiger Athlete of the Week, and we'll catch you in the field.